Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Michael at RBM Crypto. Today's short video will be showing you how to store your Fantom, your FTM coins on your Ledger Nano X using the Ledger Nano X through Ledger Live and the fWallet from Fantom. Now this is a quick and easy process. The one thing I want to let you guys all know before we get started is this only works for the tokens that Fantom has on their own Fantom Opera blockchain. This does not work for ERC20 or the Binance Smart Chain versions of the coin. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm currently have my Ledger Nano X device unlocked. I'm on Ledger Live on my desktop right now. And the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to have to go to our settings here in the device manager section. And then we're going to have to go on over to experimental features and then make sure that developer mode is checked on. That way we can see the Fantom application. Once that's checked on, you can head on over to manager again. Make sure your device is obviously unlocked or else you won't be able to access this section here. And then once you approve the manager section, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm seeing here on my screen. So once we've done this, we can search for FTM, Fantom, and then hit install. Okay, so now that the Fantom application is installed on our Ledger Nano X, we no longer need Ledger Live Desktop Suite for the rest of this tutorial. So what we're going to do now is just close this, and we will head on over to Fantom fWallet, the website I currently have already open. I will make sure that this address is in the description section in the video box down below. Okay, so now the next step will be to go to our device and make sure we are currently open on the Fantom application on our Ledger Nano X. What you're going to need to do is go on over to Fantom and then double tap, and then it says pending ledger review, you'll double tap again and it'll now say Fantom FTM ready. And once that is ready, you can now head on over to the screen and hit connect wallet, click on ledger, and then hit try again. And now it'll pick up all of my addresses now on my Ledger account, where I can choose to store FTM on any one of them. So for this demo, I'm going to choose the first one. And now I'm currently on my fWallet account. So now that I'm in fWallet, I can choose to deposit my tokens from an exchange or any other wallet to my Ledger Nano X wallet linked through Fantom fWallet. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to receive, and you'll see my address that I want to send my Fantom to. So what I'm going to do is just copy my address here. If you want one additional step before copying this address and sending your tokens, you can verify this address on Ledger by just clicking on verify on Ledger. And when you do, it'll bring up another screen asking you to verify. You look at your device and you'll see the exact same address. And you can just double tap on that, and that's your verification. And now I will copy my address and I will head on over to the Mandela exchange where I currently have some FTM, and I'm going to withdraw those to my Fantom wallet. Okay, and I've withdrawn my Fantom coins from the Mandela exchange, and now we can head on over to the Fantom fWallet again, and we can wait for our Fantom to arrive. All right, my Fantom has arrived in my fWallet now, linked to my Ledger Nano X, and if I want, I can just unplug my Ledger Nano X now, put it away, and my Fantom tokens are currently linked and safely stored by my Ledger Nano X and fWallet offline. That way they cannot be sent or moved without my Ledger Nano X plugged in and without my confirmation. Now, if I want to reverse this process and send Fantom from my Ledger Nano X back to an exchange or another wallet, all I need to do is go to send, and then I'm going to choose the Fantom Opera blockchain, hit continue, choose the amount, and then paste in my address. If there's a memo, make sure you paste that in there as well, and then hit continue. Once you hit continue, it will show you a review of the transaction, the fee, and then you can just hit send. Once you hit send, it's going to ask you to confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano X. So I'm just going to go over to my device here and double tap, start new transaction. It's going to ask me to confirm the address that I'm sending my Fantom tokens to. And it's also going to show which Fantom address I'm sending them from and the amount. And then I can just keep confirming and then hit send transaction, and it will verify my transaction, and my coins will successfully be sent from my wallet back to the exchange or to any other wallet address I've sent them to. And that's pretty much the entire process. I've shown you how to set up the Fantom application on the Ledger Nano X, how to go into settings to make sure developer mode is on, and after that we went on over to Fantom fWallet, we linked our Ledger Nano X, I deposited tokens to my wallet, withdrew them, and that is the entire process of being able to move your Fantom tokens onto and off of your Ledger Nano X using the Fantom fWallet. If you guys are enjoying the content you're seeing on this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps us grow and helps me bring you guys more content more frequently. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them in the comment section down below, and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thanks and take care.